guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, laurafordesvideos 2. So be sure to go across there, check it out, give me some support, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making Okay, so we're going to add a little sugar because we're going to be using the sugar in order to brown our chicken. We don't want to allow our sugar to burn, otherwise it's going to taste bitter. So as you notice, the color is now amber and I'm stirring it vigorously. At this point we're going to add in our chicken. If we wait any longer, it's going to get very black in color and then it's going to taste bitter. So we don't ever want it to get very dark, otherwise it's going to spoil our dish. So we add in our chicken, we stir it up. What we're going to do, we're going to cook this. We're going to turn our heat down to low. We're going to cover it and we're going to cook this chicken. We're just turning the heat down to low and covering it for about 15 minutes. Now throughout that 15-minute process, we need to check it continuously. You notice I'm turning over the chicken because we don't want it to burn. So that's why we need to turn it down to low. What happens is that the heat, that low heat, is going to allow the chicken to release moisture, and it's with that moisture is what we're going to cook the chicken for that first 15 minutes. So we're not adding any liquid in the first 15 minutes. So here again I'm checking throughout that process because sometimes it can dry out faster than that time. So that's why you want to constantly be checking it to make sure that you don't burn your chicken. Alright, so now that our 15 minutes is over, we're now going to add our breadfruit, some carrots and some bell pepper. We're going to stir everything nicely so everything gets some color. And now we're going to add some coconut milk. So I am using a tin of coconut milk. So the coconut milk, the tin tends to be a little thick, so I'm now going to add some water so that we have enough liquid in order to cook our chicken. And what we will do now is cover it and allow it to cook completely. So there you have it, folks, our breadfruit with brown stewed chicken. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to share with family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye for now.